Hey, what's going on? I need CarPlay. So this is an Android. Okay, sir, since it looks like you need Android Auto and CarPlay, this would be the perfect radio for you. It does wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. It has a 3-year warranty, and you can hook up an HDMI if you want to watch any movies or anything like that. So I think this is a good fit for what you're looking for. Alright, so does that radio seem like a good fit for you? Alright, take that as a yes. Alright, so it's all finished up. I got your phone paired to the radio. You want to come check it out? Alright, I can just show you from over there. Alright, so we have your phone connected to Android Auto. We use the Maestro harness to get your steering wheel controls to work, backup camera, all the vehicle information pops up, your tire pressure, battery voltage, if your check engine light ever comes on, and things like that. Alright, so this is pretty much everything that you wanted out of your radio. Cool. Alright, we can go inside and pay. Go inside and take care of payment. I guess I'll just go. Okay, so here's your total right here, and you can use your device and just tap to pay.